Hello, this is HardReset.Info speaking for you, and in this video I'll show you how to change console name of your Xbox Series S. As you can see right now, my Xbox is already turned on. So to proceed, let's enter settings, go to System, Console Info, and in the left bar you've got name. Enter it and rename your console. Confirm. And now your console will have to restart. Now let's check settings. Enter System, Console Info, and as you can see, my name has changed. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.